How much should you actually spend on an air cleaner for your Harley 103? It's a bit interesting because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. The truth is, price doesn't always mean quality, so let's break down what to look for. Product number 1, K&N HD 1614 Air Filter. First up is the K&N Engine Air Filter HD 1614, priced at $67.19. What caught my eye was its impressive 4.7-star rating from over 750 reviews. If you want a high-performance air filter that boosts horsepower and keeps your engine running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. It's pre-oiled and ready to install, making it one of the easiest upgrades you can make. The best part? It comes with a 10-year million-mile warranty, meaning you won't have to worry about replacement costs for a long time. In fact, K&N claims you can save about $250 over 10 years by using this reusable filter instead of disposable ones. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Better airflow means better acceleration, giving you that extra boost when you need it most. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky if you're not mechanically inclined. Here's the thing though, if you're the kind of person who enjoys working on your bike, this will be a breeze and the performance gains are totally worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize performance without the hassle of frequent replacements. Skip this one if you prefer a less hands-on approach or don't want to deal with installation yourself. For the quality and longevity, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the K&N HD 1614 caught you off guard, the next one on my list is a great budget-friendly option. Product number 2, K&N HD 910 Air Filter. Next, we have the K&N HD 910 Air Filter, which comes in at a wallet-friendly $45.52. This filter also boasts a 4.7-star rating from around 630 reviews. If you want a high-flow filter that doesn't sacrifice quality for price, this is worth a serious look. This one's designed for various Harley models as well, ensuring a perfect fit. Like its sibling, it's washable and reusable, lasting up to 50,000 miles before you need to clean it. With excellent filtration, it helps improve airflow, which translates to better throttle response and acceleration. Here's why this matters. The high airflow means your engine can breathe easier, giving you more power on demand, especially when you're out on the open road. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of time to clean properly. I get it, cleaning takes effort, and if you're not up for that, it might feel like a hassle. But honestly, considering the performance gains you get in return, I think it's worth the extra time. This is perfect for you if you ride frequently and want to keep your bike performing well without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer a no-maintenance solution. For the price, you really can't beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more protection and performance. Product number 3, SOLLON HD 1508 Air Filter Cleaner. Coming in hot at just $20.99 is the SOLLON HD 1508 Ultra Classic Air Filter Cleaner. It's got a 4.6-star rating with 249 reviews, making it a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable replacement filter. Why does this matter? Cleaner air means your engine runs more efficiently, extending its life and performance. Plus, it's lightweight at just 11.24 ounces, which adds to its ease of installation. Now the downside, some users have found it doesn't flow as well as some higher-end options. I'll be real with you, if you're a performance junkie, you might want to consider spending a bit more. But for everyday riding, it does the job just fine without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet effective air filter solution. Skip this if you're looking for a high-performance upgrade, as it's more suited for casual riders. At this price point, it's definitely a steal for what you're getting. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a little more power and filtration, our next product is just what you need. Product number 4, LOCOPOW HD 800 Air Filter. Next up is the LOCOPOW HD 800 Air Filter, priced at $18.59. This one has a 4.2-star rating from 276 reviews, making it a decent option for those on a budget. If you want a reliable standard filter without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It fits a wide range of Harley models, which is a big plus. The industrial quality filtration cloth claims to filter out 99.9% of impurities, keeping your engine clean and running smoothly. The ease of installation is a significant factor here. Just pop it in and you're good to go. Why does this matter? A clean engine means better performance and longevity on the road. However, some users reported that the fit can be a bit loose, which might cause some issues with airflow. Here's the thing though, if you're not pushing your bike to its limits, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable replacement filter without the frills. Skip this if you want a performance-oriented filter, as it's more of a standard option. For the low price, it offers decent quality. Now, if you're really serious about performance, let's talk about the final product that might just blow your mind. Product number 5, K&N Cold Air Intake System. Last but not least is the K&N Cold Air Intake System at $212.99. This has a solid 4.5-star rating with 229 reviews. If you're looking to seriously amp up your Harley's performance, this is worth a serious look. This intake system is designed to provide a less restrictive airflow path, meaning your engine gets more cool, oxygen-rich air. This translates to guaranteed increases in horsepower and torque, which is especially beneficial for towing or when you need that extra power. Plus, the sound of your engine, it'll growl beautifully when you accelerate, giving you that thrill every rider loves. Here's why this matters. Improved airflow and engine sound can enhance your overall riding experience. However, it's on the pricier side and some might find the installation a bit challenging. But honestly, if you're serious about your engine's performance, this is a worthwhile investment that pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want to take your riding experience to the next level with enhanced performance. Skip this if you're just commuting and not looking to upgrade your bike's capabilities. For the quality and performance boost, it's a solid investment for serious riders. So to sum it up, the K&N HD 1614 is all about longevity and performance, while the K&N HD 910 offers great value for money. The SOLLON HD 1508 is perfect for budget-conscious riders, and the LOCOPOW HD 800 is a solid standard option. Lastly, the K&N Cold Air Intake System is for those chasing serious performance upgrades. Whatever your needs, there's something here for every Harley rider.